Simple. Here we are seeing fourth chapter pair of linear equation in two variable of SSC Max Telangana. In that second problem we are seeing E-bit, okay? D-bit, sorry, D-bit. So let's start. Check whether the following equations are consistent or inconsistent. Solve them graphically. So first of all we have to check the equations which he gave, they are consistent or inconsistent. Consistence means if the equation have solution we call them as a consistence, okay? And if they don't have solution we call them as a inconsistent. So we have to check the equation which he gave, they are consistent. They have solution means they are consistent. If they don't have solution means they are inconsistent, and solve them graphically, and we have to solve them graphically, okay? So let's start. D-bit, okay? 5x minus 3y equal to 11 minus 10x plus 6y equal to minus 22. So what we are doing, we are writing what he gave this equation as it is, 5x minus 3y equal to 11, and putting that one as equation number 1. Next, what is the second equation? Minus 10x plus 6y equal to minus 22. And we are putting this equation as number 2, okay? Next, what we are doing? We are writing 5x minus 3y as it is and bringing this 11 to this side. Minus 11 equal to 0, okay? Next, why we are bringing this 11 to this side? Because to make this equation in the standard form. What is standard form? We have an equation of linear equation in standard form is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay, this is the standard form of linear equation, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay, so we are making this equation as in standard form. So we will bring this c term, this is c term is here, no? So we will bring here only because all the terms are here only, no, this side. So we are making this bringing this 11 to this side first, okay? So here also we are bringing 5x minus 3y equal to minus 11 equal to 0 we will get. And in this equation also what we are doing, we are writing this minus 10x plus 6y as it is, and we are bringing this minus 22 to this side. So it will become plus 22 equal to 0. Next, since we know that the coefficient of x will become a1, so 5 is here a1 and the coefficient of y will become b1. So this is minus 3 is b1 and the constant value will be c1. So minus 11 is c1. Here also what we will do, coefficient of x is a2. So minus 10 will be a2. Next, coefficient of y is 6. It will become b2. Next, the constant value 22 will become c2. Okay. So what we have to do, first of all, he is saying us to check whether these equations are consistent or inconsistent. Okay. So what we have to do, we have to check we have to see these equations follow in which condition it will follow. Okay. A1 by these three conditions we are having now. So in which condition, these three conditions we are having, a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, and a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. So which conditions it satisfy? We have to see. If it satisfy this condition means it is consistent. If it satisfy the second condition means they are inconsistent and parallel. If it satisfy this third condition means they are consistent and coinciding. Okay, so first of all we will check in which condition they will satisfy, this one first or second or third. Okay, so what we are doing, first of all we are finding a1 by a2 is how much. So a1 by a2 equal to how much? 5 is there, so 5 by a2 is minus 10, so 5 by minus 10. Here 5 ones are 5, we will get 5 twos are 10 we are getting. Okay, next equal to, here minus is there, so we are bringing here minus, and here 1 by 2 we are getting, so we are writing 1 by 2. Next what we are doing, we are finding b1 by b2. What is b1 here? Minus 3, so we are writing minus 3 by, what is b2 here? 6. 6, here we will get 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6 equal to, here minus is there, we are writing minus that as it is, 1 by 2 we are getting 1 by 2. As a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, we are getting same value now. Here also minus 1 by 2, here also minus 1 by 2 we are getting. So it means that this a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2. When these two are equal, then we have to find c1 by c2. Okay, so we are finding c1 by c2 equal to how much is c1? Minus 11. So minus 11 divided by how much is c2? 22. So we are writing 22. Next 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22 will get equal to, here minus is there, we are writing minus 1 by 2 will get, so 1 by 2. So what we are doing, what we are getting, we are getting here a1 by a2 is also minus 1 by 2, b1 by b2 is equal to minus 1 by 2, and c1 by c2 is also equal to minus 1 by 2. So we are getting the same value here also same, here also same. What we will write, therefore a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2 we are getting. So in which condition this equation is going? Third condition. It satisfy which condition? It is satisfying this third condition. Okay. So what it's mean when the a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2? They are consistent. Okay. We have to remember this table now. Okay. In our previous class, I have explained this table. So learn. Okay. So it is satisfying this third condition. It means they are consistent, and graphical representation will be coincidence. There will be coinciding, means one line will come and above the another. Okay. In graph, one line will come on the another line. So what we are writing, therefore the given equations are consistent and are coincident, means they are coinciding, they are lying one above the another. Okay. So to draw the graph, what we are doing, we are from equation number 1. We are writing here equation number 1. What is the equation number 1? This is the equation number 1. 5x minus 3y equal to 11. That only we are writing here. 5x minus 3y equal to 11. Next, what we are doing, we are keeping only this minus 3 this side, okay, and sending this 5x to another side. So what will happen? Minus 3y equal to, here 11 is there, we are writing as it is. Next 5x is coming to this side, means it will change its sign, so it will become minus 5x. Now we are writing y equal to, what is there, 11 minus 5x. So we are writing 11 minus 5x as it is. And here minus 3 is in multiplication with y. So when it goes to another side, it will come in division. So divided by minus 3. So here we got the y value. Next, what we have to do, we have got an equation for y. This is the equation for y. Now we will draw the box. Okay. Here x, we are putting x, and y equal to how much we got just now equation? Minus 5x we wrote. We will see. Minus, first we are writing minus 5x. Okay. Minus 5x. Nothing will happen. We can write minus 5x plus 11 is there. So minus 5x plus 11 divided by minus 3 is there. So we wrote divided by minus 3. Next, what we are doing, x comma y we are writing. Okay. Next, what is there? We are assuming x as 0. Okay. You can take any value. I am taking here x value as 0. We have to assume. So what y will become? Y equal to, here minus 5 is there. So minus 5. In place of x, we are putting 0. Next, plus 11 is a plus 11 divided by minus 3. Next, minus 5 into 0. 5 zeros are 0 will be there. 0 plus 11, how much will get? 11 only. So we are writing 11 divided by minus 3 is there. So minus 3. So here minus is there. So we are writing minus as it is. And when we divide 11 divided by 3, we will get 3.6. Okay. So here we have to write the x and y value. So how much is x? 0, comma. How much is y? Minus 3.6. So we are writing minus 3.6. Next, what we are doing? We are taking y, x equal to 1 we are taking. So y equal to how much is there? Minus 5x. So minus 5 into, how much is x? 1. So into 1 plus 11 is there. So plus 11 divided by how much is the minus 3 is there. So minus 3. So what will happen if we simplify? Minus 5 into 1, minus 5. Plus 11 is there, we wrote, divided by minus 3 is there. So we wrote minus 3. So from 11, if we remove 5, how much we will get? 6. So we are writing 6 divided by minus 3 is there. So minus 3 we wrote. Next here 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6 we will get. Here minus is there, so that minus we are writing as it is minus, and 2 is only left. So 2 we are writing. Now we got x value and y value also. So here we are writing x and y value. How much is x? 1 comma 1. Y is minus 2. So 1 comma minus 2. Next, what we are doing? We are taking x as 2. So in the equation we have to substitute. So we will see the equation. What is the equation? Y equal to minus 5x plus 11 by minus 3. So y equal to minus 5 is there. So we wrote minus 5 into, in place of x, what we have to put? 2. So minus 5 into 2. X plus 11 is there. We are writing plus 11 divided by minus 3 is there. So we are writing divided by minus 3. Okay. Now we will simplify it. So minus 5 to the 10 we will get. So minus 10. Next, plus 11 is there. So plus 11 divided by minus 3 is there. So from 11 if you remove 10, how much you will get? 1. Whole divided by, here minus 3 is there. So we are writing minus 3. Equal to, here minus is there, that minus we are writing here as it is. Next, when we divide 1 divided by 3, how much we will get? 0.3. So here we are writing x and y value. How much is x? We took 2. 2 comma, how much is y? 0. Minus 0.3. So minus 0.3 we wrote. Now second equation we will simplify. Okay. So what is second equation? Minus 10x plus 6y equal to minus 22. So we are writing from equation number 2, minus 10x plus 6y equal to minus 22. So here 6y we are writing as it is, and equal to minus 22 is there. So minus 22. And we are sending this 10x minus 10x to another side. So what will become? It will become plus 10x. Here minus is there. So going to another side, it will change its sign. So it will become plus 10x. Next, what we are doing, only we are writing here y equal to minus 22 plus 10x whole divided by 6 we will get. Why? Because here 6 is in multiplication. When goes to another side, it will come in division. So this equation also got for, here also we got the equation for y. Okay. Now what we have to do, we have to take x table. We have to draw the table x comma y. Here we are writing x, and what is the equation we got, that only we are writing. Y equal to how much we got? Which equation we got? Minus 22 plus 10x. So minus 22 plus 10x whole divided by how much is this? 6. So that only, whole divided by 6. Next, what we are doing, x comma y we are writing. Here also I am taking x value as 0. Any value you can take, I am taking 0. 0. Next, y equal to minus 22 is there. I am writing minus 22 plus 10 into x. How much is x? 0. So we are writing 10 into 0 whole divided by 6 equal to, here minus 22 is there, plus 10 zeros are 0 we will get. So minus 22 plus 0, we will get minus 22 divided by 6. So what we are doing? 2 11s are 22, 2 3s are 6 we will get. Here minus is there, that minus we are writing as it is. 11 divided by 3 we wrote here. Equal to, minus is there, we are writing as it is. So when 11 is divided by 3 we will get 3.6. So here we are writing x value is how much? 0 comma, how much is y value? Minus 3.6 we wrote. Okay. Next, what we are doing, we are taking x as 1. So y equal to how much we will get? Minus 22 plus 10 is there. So 10 into, how much is x here? 1. So in place of x we are writing 10 into 1. Whole divided by 6 is there. So we are writing 6. Next, minus 22 will come as it is. Plus is there, plus 10 ones are 10 we will get, whole divided by 6. So what we are doing? Here for big number, which is big number? 22 is big number, no? So for big number sign is negative, so here we will get negative. From 22 if we remove 10 we will get 12. 12 divided by 6 we will get, so 6 ones are 6 twos are 12 equal to minus 2 is the answer. So here writing x value as 1 comma minus 2. Next, we are taking x value as, we are supposing x equal to 2. Then we have to substitute in that table. Okay. So what is the table? Table is y equal to, so y equal to minus 22 is the minus 22 plus 10 into x. So 10 into x, how much is x here? 2. So 10 into 2 whole divided by how much is there? 6. So whole divided by 6 we got. So next what happened? Here minus 22 is there. So we are writing minus 22 plus 10 to the 20 whole divided by 6. So for big number here 22 is big or 20 is big? 22. So for big number we sign is a minus. So we are writing minus. So from 22 when we remove 20 we will get 2 is left. So 2 divided by 6 we are writing. Okay. Next what we are doing? 2 ones are 2. 2 threes are 6. We are cancelling it. So equal to is equal to we are writing. Next minus is there. We are writing minus as it is. 1 by 3 is there. So 1 divided by 3. Minus is there, we are writing as it is. When we divide 1 divided by 3, we will get 0.3. So we are writing x value is 2. So 2 comma y value is minus 0.3. So minus 0.3 we got. So what you are observing here? See here in this two table we have got this table is for equation number 1 and this table is for equation number 2. But what we are observing, they are getting the same xy value. Here 0 comma 3 minus 3.6, here also 0 comma minus 3.6. Next here also 1 comma minus 2, here also 1 comma minus 2. Here also 2 comma minus 0.3, 2 comma minus 0.3. So for this two equation, the equations are different. No, see here equations is like this. This is different equation, this is different equation. Different also there means, but they are getting same x and y value if we when we have solved. So we have now we will plot them on graph paper, okay, and we will see what we will get. So this is the graph paper. First of all, what we have to do, we have to draw one horizontal line like this, and we call this horizontal as x-axis. We have to put here arrow, and this is also arrow here x. We will put x-axis and here x dash. Next, what we have to do, we have to take one vertical line like this one. So what we call this vertical line as y-axis. Here y we will write, and here y dash. On x-axis, always on the right hand side there will be positive number, and on left side on x-axis, this is x-axis, no, there will be always negative number. On this is y-axis, no, so on y-axis above number will be always positive and below number will be negative. Okay, and where this x-axis and y-axis they are meeting, we will put that point as 0. Where they are meeting here, no, so we'll put that point as 0 and we call them as a origin. And we have to write this scale mass. Scale is important. So what is scale meaning? Here on x-axis what we are doing, 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit only we are taking, and on y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit only. 1 unit means we have to increase from one box to another box, we have to increase only 1 because we are taking 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit only we are taking now. So 1 we have to increase, for another box 1 we have to increase, for another box 1 we have to increase. On y-axis also same, from here to another box 1 we have increased, from here to another box 1 we will increase. Okay, so like that what we are doing, we are putting 0.01 from here to 1 1, next 2 increasing 1 1, next here 3 increasing 1, here next table, next box 4 5 6, like that. Here this side also same, increasing 1 minus 1, next minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6. Same here also for y-axis, from here to the next table 1 1 2, next 2 2, next box 3 3 to 4 4 to 5, like this. Down also same, but in negative, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. Okay, now we will see the points. What points he gave? 0 comma minus 3.6. So 0 comma, here we will write 0 comma minus 3.6. Okay, so here we will write 0 comma minus 3.6. So this is the x value and this is y value. So on x-axis we have to see, this is x-axis, no, 0 is here. So from this position only we have to see the value of y. From this only we have to see y value is how much? Minus 3.6. So minus where will come in y? Dot. So minus here, minus 3.6 is saying. So first we will see from 0, from this position we have to see where is minus 3. Here we got minus 3 we got, but 3.6 is saying no. So what we have to do, we have to check. Next slight line will be there, no, slight horizontal line will be there, no, that line will be minus 3.1, next will be 3.2, next will be 3.3, next will be 3.4, next will be 3.5, next will be 3.6. So here we have put point, we have to put here like this point. Okay, next we will see what is the x and y value. Okay, 1 comma minus 2 is there, this one we have plotted, and next is 1 comma minus 2. Here we will write, next is 1 comma minus 2. So 1 comma minus 2. So x value is 1. So on x-axis we have to see where is 1, here 1. So from this position only we have to see the value. On y-axis from this position only. Okay, y is how much? Minus 2, again minus 2. On y-axis where minus will be there, dot. So from here, from this position, from 1 to minus 2, here we are getting minus 2. So we have to put here point again. Okay, so 2 points we have done. Next, what point we got, we will see. Third, how much is there? 2 comma 0 minus 0.3. 2 comma minus 0.3. So I will write here 2 comma minus 0.3. Okay. So 2, this is x value. So 2, this is x axis. So from 2 to, so from this position we have to see. So from 2 to minus 0.3 is saying, this is y, no? So minus. So minus means y will be down. Here this is here from 2 to minus 0.3. 0 is here only, no? So this box, in this box only we have to see from 2 to, no? Next will be 0.1. Next will be 0.2. Next will be 0.3. So here we have to put point. Okay. So this is the 0.3. Here from here we are getting now 0.3. But we have to point on from x-axis. From x-axis position. So x-axis position is 2 from 2, no? Here he gave 2. So from this position we have to take 0.3. Here only we are getting, okay? 0.3. Okay. So here we have to put point. Now we will join all the lines by taking scale. We have to join the points. All we have to join. Okay. So if we join, we will get like this straight line. So what will happen? We will get one straight line and we have to put the equation for that line. For which equation we got this line? Which equation? First equation. What is first equation? 5x minus 3y equal to 11. For this equation we got that graph. So here we have to mention that also, ma. So equation is 5x minus 3y equal to 11. Now second, what is the for second equation, what we got? Same 0 comma minus 3.6, x1 comma minus 2, this only, x2 comma minus 0.3, this points only. Again if you plot, where we will get? Again on this graph only, if you put same, we will get from 0 to minus 3.6 means 0 to minus 3. Here minus 3 is there, 0.6. Same we will get here only. Point. Next 1 to minus 2 means again from 1 to minus 2. Here we will get again 2 comma minus 0.3 means again here only. So same line we will get. Okay. So what we got, in condition only we have seen that they are consistent and they will coincide. So our graph is also correct. The line, one line is coming on another line. Okay. If we plot for second also means same we will get. Again we have to draw joint that points only and we will get same that position only. This line is again for minus 10x plus 6y equal to minus 22. For this equation also we are getting like this only line, means they are coinciding, they are lying one above the another. So here we have shown that they are consistent and they are lying one above the another. Okay. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment box and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you very much.